Those watermarks are evidence of a leak. I have a story to tell about the kitchen sink. It has been leaking at the flange for some time. It's been leaking since installation. While you get over the shock, here are my manners. A journey of home renovation and maintenance. Welcome to Maintaining 18. I am certain I saw a leak, I told the contractor. I could not replicate the leak at the time of verification. Maybe you have experienced the described personality, the confident type that won't seek out an issue to the point of arguing. Who is the money here? I was fairly inexperienced then. It turns out testing for leaks is not as simple as running the faucet. To test for leaks, and apart from running the water, allow the sink to fill. It won't take long, about 1 to 2 minutes, and the leak is confirmed, or willfully, the seal is confirmed. Over the years, the garbage disposal became messy, smelly, and a couple of times tripped the circuit. No, I did not keep the bucket there. It was a folded towel, and before that some paper towels. What a losing streak. I have lost this day for some time, but today it gets addressed. I have a confession. I tried to reset the GFCI protection mechanism using the red button at the front bottom of the garbage disposal. It would not reset. The sink clogged and filled up. I had to use another trick. Using an immersion blender to mimic the garbage disposal action and drive the water into the drain. I had to address the issue at this point. This serves as an example of delayed gratification. Removing the garbage disposal was a joy. I tried a wrench at first and that did not work well, so I used a manly tool. Always a pleasure. Before I restore the appearance of the garbage disposal, I invite you to subscribe, leave a comment, like the video, or share the video. Thank you. Included in the description is a video of how to disassemble this particular kind of garbage disposal. This allows me to focus on the unique aspects of my experience, and that is coming up. As to why there was a leak, I believe that rubber washer was part of the problem. It was time to clean the greedy machine, always drinking and eating. Cleaning was easy, standard stuff. I grabbed a cleanser just because it was under the sink. I applied it and used a toothbrush to agitate the dirt and rinsed it with hot water, hence the red hose. Standard stuff. The departure from standard cleaning is marked when Golden Judge used a 5-in-1 painting tool to scrape hardened buildup from the mount ring. I am thinking calcium. Nevertheless, do not allow the mind to run on this one. I took an additional step and used a metal cleaner and polisher and stopped short of a great buff. I let the machine rest outside to dry out, considering I hosed it down. In the meantime, noting the label at the bottom with the serial number was going the way of old scrolls of parchment, printed labels, as I may need this forbidden knowledge for warranty. The warranty on the disposal unit runs 5 to 8 years, and there's a lifetime rust warranty. I don't think the label qualifies. I'm using plumber's putty to provide a seal between the sink and the sink flange. The rubber seal seems not to work well over long periods. Putty was applied to the top and the bottom of the opening in the sink. I also had to seal the soap dispenser, and that is a victory for another day. The installation was standard, except I added some lube at the top of the unit to help it twist in place. A tip: ensure the mounting ring hangs so it can receive the garbage disposal. There may have been an inadvertent joke back there. The installation of the garbage disposal unit went okay, but there was a problem. It wasn't tight, therefore it would leak. The retaining mechanism became ineffective. I kid you not, I deduced it would leak without a water test. The garbage disposal was not sitting tight against the cushion mount ring. I had to improvise, or this project would fail. Seeing me off to spend $250 on a Need it now? Garbage disposal unit from the big box store. Self-tapping screws worked well. I could not even tighten it all the way. I put some force behind it. Even got a new tool to do this. After connecting the dishwasher and P-trap, I washed my tools, using that as an opportunity to test for leaks. Surely enough, there was a leak. The leak was at the P-trap. I believe there was a gasket missing. The big box store is closed, so I use my favorite sealant. I must emphasize an O-ring or a washer, something is needed in there. The sealant or Teflon tape will not hold. Thank you for watching so far. These are the final touches that will make this DIY worthy. First, wash the sink and then polish it. I simply rub the polish on and wipe the excess. The shine will emerge after light use. The next thing is to use an enzyme solution with deodorizer. This will remove food buildup and it smells great. 2 ounces a week is what is recommended for this particular product. That concludes the presentation. This day is won. Go forth and win your day. Some thoughts as I fixed the leak. Leaks appear intermittent since the faucet is used intermittently. The breeze from time to time slows down the leak so it seems to stop. Taking the kitchen sink out of commission is not welcome no matter how short a repair. Can you tell I'd rather have a kitchen sink leak than the toilet? You should have seen how I spent Thanksgiving a couple years back. How do I get my children to reliably report leaks and pest me until it's fixed? Is that a good idea? At this point, the cabinet base has held up. This may not be the case in the future given water damage to the back panel. What needs to be done? Whatever the solution, the day will be won.